Today's video will show you how to block YouTube on Chrome. It is also applicable to blocking any other website on the Chrome browser. To begin, open up your Chrome browser in your PC. Then, you- in the Google tab above here, you type in Chrome Web Store. Once it is opened, click on the first one here to open up the site. In the search extension and themes bar, type in block sites. Press your enter key to open it up. Various lists of block site extensions will open up. Scroll through and select the one that fits your need. Okay, let's go with this. Then you select add to Chrome and you click on add extension. Now the extension has been added to your Chrome browser. Click on the extension icon here and you click on the pin arrow to pin the block site extension to the menu bar at the top of the screen. Now you click on the block site extension, you'll be prompted to input the URL of the site you want to block. So just type in the URL here, then you click OK. Now YouTube has been blocked or restricted from your Chrome. Okay, so whenever you open YouTube on your Chrome browser, it will automatically block and restrict you from using YouTube on Chrome, as you can see on the screen. So that's it, guys. That's how you block YouTube on Chrome. It is also applicable to blocking other websites, could be your Facebook or any other websites on Chrome browser. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more of this. Bye guys, see you in the next video.